Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 16. 0 or newer, has about 5 GB free, and your Apple ID is active. Once done, enable two-factor authentication so signing flows complete without error. Next, back up the device to iCloud or Finder. That protects you if a restore is needed. Finally, install Test Flight now if the release uses it, or prepare a computer with Alt Server and the latest iTunes if you plan to sideload. You now move into the detailed install. If a Test Flight link is provided, tap Accept and follow the in-app prompts. Test Flight handles signing automatically. If you have an IPA, use Alt Server on your Mac or PC to sideload via Alt Store, or drag into Sideload UI. Make sure your device stays on and unlocked. Once the app appears, go to Settings, then General, and trust the developer profile. This step lets iOS launch the app. Make sure to monitor prompts and allow requested permissions. You finish by opening Nugget, completing the onboarding and granting camera, notifications, or local network access as required. If the app fails to open or crashes, delete it, revoke the developer profile, reboot the iPhone, and reinstall. This clears stale signatures. If you see signing or trust errors, refresh certificates with Alt Server or ask the distributor for an updated Test Flight build. One troubleshooting tip: if installs repeatedly fail, check system date/time and network restrictions. Incorrect time or captive Wi-Fi often blocks signing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.